Barnett, thanks for being with us. Tell me about BudgetSketch. What do you do?
Okay, so BudgetSketch is a startup based here in Cincinnati, and it's a web-based budgeting tool that we created to fill a need when we started looking at online budgeting apps for our own needs, and we didn't find anything that really matched the method that we use for budgeting, which is a zero balance. You spend all your money in advance, essentially on paper. Now you're spending it on the web. You make your plan 1 month out. Most budgeting tools we found were more about expense tracking, which is looking behind, and for most users, that's, the history of most American consumers isn't that great. We spend too much, and then we wake up and we find out, there's more month left at the end of my money, right? That old story. So, but if you make the plan in advance and if you stick to it, then when you look back 3 months from now, you're going to see something that you like. So essentially what it is, it just allows you to go online, collaborate with your spouse about creating a budget plan, and then you have it there. You can go pull it up on the web, see how much you're supposed to be spending on groceries this week, that type of thing. And it's been really well received. We launched it about a year ago. Okay. We got about 8,000 users worldwide. That's purely organic growth. We haven't really started up the marketing, sales and marketing.
Is that all consumers, or is there any small businesses?
Yeah, no, it's all consumers right now. We have kind of two parallel models of our business model. That one is B2C, so to consumers that can pay a subscription fee to use it. It has a free subscription that you can use, for no charge. But then there's a layer above that where if you want a little bit more functionality, you can pay for that. And we're also going to be marketing, or would hope to have signed by this evening, our first credit union partner. Haven't got them yet, but we're very close to signing with them. We want to partner with other credit unions and community banks to bring money back into local communities versus large commercial banks that are centered out of New York City or wherever. And that money tends to get into mischief when it's all collected there in one place. So we're about partnering with community banks and credit unions, bring that money back locally where it can be lent out to local businesses. And
So what's your background?
So my background is a web developer, right? So that's where it kind of came from. I needed a web app that wasn't out there, so I decided I would build it, right? So
what are you hoping to get out of this evening?
Just a little more exposure. We're like I mentioned, the subscription features we're getting ready to release. We wanted to show it to people, get their feedback, see what they think of it.
Are you getting some good feedback?
Yeah, we're getting excellent feedback, and bumped into a lot of our users who kind of surprised us a little bit. With the 8,000 user base, we didn't think there'd be that many of them out there, but they heard about us coming here. We do a little bit on Twitter and Facebook, so some of them found us and come up and said, yeah, we just wanted to meet you and say thanks. So,
well, good luck, and thanks very much for your time.
Thank you very much. Thank you.